Hello, want to make passive income but feel like you have no skills, no time, and no idea where to start? You're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you what I believe is the easiest passive income method for complete beginners with zero tech skills or upfront investment required. Let's dive in. Step 1: Why most passive income advice doesn't work. If you've searched YouTube or TikTok for passive income, you've probably seen people talking about buying rental properties, investing in dividend stocks, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and while these can work, they all require money upfront, marketing experience, or months of trial and error. But what if you could create something once and let it sell forever? No inventory, no customer service, no expertise. Let me show you how. Step 2: The method. Digital products on Etsy. The easiest way I've found is this. Selling simple digital products on Etsy. We're talking about things like printable planners, habit trackers, budgeting sheets, meal plans, affirmation cards, even digital bookmarks. These are files people download after they pay. You don't print or ship anything. It's fully automated. And yes, people buy these every single day. Step 3: Why it works. Here's why this method is perfect for beginners. No skills needed. Use free tools like Canva. No inventory or packaging. Low competition in niche markets. Passive. Once it's uploaded, it keeps selling. You can start today for free. Still not convinced? Let me walk you through the exact steps. Step 4: The process. Step by step. Step 1. Go to Etsy and search for printable daily planner. Filter by best-selling to see what works. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to help generate ideas or copy. Ask it to write 10 daily planning prompts or monthly budgeting tips. Step 3. Open Canva and use a free template. Edit the text, colors, layout. Make it your own. Step 4. Save it as a PDF. This will be the file your customer downloads. Step 5. Create a free Etsy account. Upload your product. Write a simple description and set the price. $3-7 is common. Step 6. Promote it, optional, but helpful. Share your listing on Pinterest using free Canva images. Post a short or TikTok showing your planner in use. That's it. Step 5: Realistic expectations. This won't make you rich overnight. But think about it. If just one person buys your $5 planner every day, that's $150 per month from a product you created once. Now imagine if you had 10 products. This is how beginners build real passive income, slowly, steadily, and with very little risk. Step 6: Final tips. Here are some bonus tips. Use keywords in your title like printable, instant download, minimalist, editable, niche down. Don't just make a general planner. Make one for moms, students, teachers, business owners. Test different styles and designs to see what sells. Don't quit after one product. Upload consistently. You don't need skills. You don't need money. You just need an idea and the willingness to try. Selling digital products is the easiest and most beginner-friendly passive income method I've tested. Want me to create a full step-by-step tutorial? Comment Etsy Starter below and I'll make it. And don't forget to subscribe to WealthFlow Media for more simple, real-world income strategies that work in 2025 and beyond. See you in the next one.